Good afternoon, Grizzlies. Today's lesson is going to be about telling time in second grade. So in week one, we're going to go ahead and do a couple of things. We're going to review what you learned in first grade, which means telling time to the hour and to 30 minutes. So what your very first task is going to be is to make sure that you look at all of the things on your Moodle account. Very first thing that you're going to do is go into the telling time in second grade. It gives you a quick hello from me. You do have a meet the teacher. This is a Word document that's included here. Actually, I'm sorry, that is a web page that's included there. Then you have a telling time in second grade syllabus. You're going to look over that syllabus totally and completely because it does show grades and how you get each grade. This is very important. I want each and every one of you to make sure that you go to it. You must take this mini quiz before going on to the week one assignment. Okay, so before you ever go on to the assignment, you have to do that and it has to be turned in to me. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go back. I do have an example for the pre and post test here. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick view of that right now. So, get that pop-up off. We are going to determine what time it is on each clock. You're going to write your answers here. For example, 8 o'clock. All you do is type in 8 o'clock. Can you tell by this clock if it's AM or PM? No, you cannot, so you do not need to write AM or PM. Here, you would go ahead and write what time it is. I see that it is 6:30. Okay? So, oops, I just gave you guys an answer. That's okay. Now, down here, it does give you an example of, I watched fireworks until I couldn't keep my eyes open anymore. I just noticed that it is 11:30. Is it AM or PM? So I went ahead and typed PM. Okay, we're going to go back to our Moodle course. Notice I am just clicking the back button. Now we get to week one. In week one, you get to watch a silly little video. You probably saw it in first grade, and that's okay. You're going to watch it again. Then you're going to go into a discussion board. I put 2 examples here. Now, here's the easy part about this Padlet. All you have to do is copy and paste. Remember, you're left clicking and dragging to copy. You're going to hit Control-C, and that will copy it for you. Then you're going to come over here, and you're going to add post. It gives you a box. You're going to click where it says write something. You're going to hit Control-V. Remember, these shortcuts are in front of you on the board. You're going to add a title. This title is going to be your name. Are you going to put your name? No, you're going to put Sam, John, Philip, Felipe, whatever your name might be. Then you're going to drop down to this area. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to delete all of these dashes by highlighting them and hitting back. When you do so, you will see the parentheses are now closed. You're going to type your answer here. I learned that when I'm going to say giant hand. You're not going to say giant hand because you know the right word. Is pointing at and you're going to put a number. You're going to fill in each of, oops, sorry, my mouse is being problematic. And that happens sometimes, and you just have to work with it. Okay? It's being very problematic. Okay, so you're going to put a word, a number, a word, a number. Once you're done with that, you will click outside of the box, and that will save your response. You'll see here that it shows your name. I'm going to go ahead and delete this example so that it's not showing on your Padlet when you see it. There is 2 examples here, and you can go by either of them. Once you are done, you will go on to your week 1 assignment. When you go onto your week 1 assignment, you will go to education.com and play those fun games that we've been practicing. You obviously have your login information, which you'll log in at the very top, and you'll be able to go ahead and play, and it will send that information to me. Remember, I can see every time that you're on the computer exactly what you're doing. Make sure you use your time wisely, or you may get timed out by me. Okay, you'll click back when you're done, and then you can go on to the week 1 quiz. When you go on to the week 1 quiz, it is a Google Doc. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that the very first thing that you do is look right here at the directions. When you look at the directions, it says make a copy of this document by going to File and clicking Make a Copy. Let me review how to do that. File, Make a Copy. You're going to delete Copy Of, and you're going to put your name. Okay, I'm not going to make a copy because I already have a copy. Then, when you are done doing that, you're going to, let's see, where did I put my handy dandy clock? Let me go ahead. Alright guys, sorry about that minor pause. Had to go ahead and grab my clock. So what you're going to do is you are going to insert an image of you making the time listed on your clock in each of the given boxes. Okay, so as you can see, this box says it is 5:30. So you're going to get your clock and you're going to make it say 5:30. Okay, here's 5. Remember, if it's 30, then we're going to go ahead and go after the 5. We're going to bring our big hand to the 30 mark. Uh-oh, hid that 5. Let's get it out from underneath there. There we go. And 30 minutes is halfway in between 5 and 6. So you're going to go ahead and make that 5:30 showing. Okay. Let's go ahead and just make that big really quickly. Okay, you can see here, 5:30. Okay, once you have done that, you're going to take a screenshot of that, or you're going to take a picture. So you're going to go down into the camera. Not sure how this will work because I am already on the camera. Let's see if that works. Oh, you know what? It is actually covering my camera. Let's scoot that over for just a second. We will snap a picture. Okay, cover that back up. Oh, what happened to our video? Oh, that's what, we can close that out. We're going to insert the image here. So, remember when we're inserting an image, we have to go into our file, into our pictures. Okay, this is showing you all of my family, but that's okay. We're going to go into camera. This won't happen on yours because you guys only have a few pictures. So you're going to click your picture that you want to insert. Hit copy, paste. Let's see if that works. Control V. It's not working. Alright, so you're going to insert image, photos, not Google Photos. Didn't mean to do that. Move me over a little bit. Get out of that. Move that. I'm going to go ahead and move that because we're going to be using that share button here in just a moment. Upload from computer. Go back into our camera. search here for a second. And there's our picture of half of me holding the picture. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and I will just leave that right there for right now. Okay, when you're done, you're going to go up to the big blue button. You're going to share this with Ms. Garza. To do so, you're going to wait until it is done loading. You're going to type Garza K, and it'll come up because you guys have shared stuff with me before. Okay, and then you'll hit send, and it will send a copy to me when you are complete, when you have completed this. I'm going to need to fix that just a little bit. If it moves down, don't worry about it. I will take care of all of that. All right. We're going to go ahead and go back to our Moodle and see if there's anything that we missed. We got through our discussion board. We got through with our week 1 assignment, our week 1 quiz, and we remembered that we must do the what time is it pre-test before anything. If you have any questions, you know where my desk is, you know how to raise your hand. Make sure you do it quietly and respectfully, and I will talk to you later. Thank you and goodbye.